Invalid session. That annoying pop-up kicks you out of the game for no clear reason. Here is exactly why it happens, and the fix that actually works.
First, the truth. This is not your Wi-Fi. A network error means you never connect, while an auth error means you connect fine and the server still rejects you. Invalid session is a login check that failed, not a dropped packet.
The #1 fix solves about 90% of cases. Close the game and the launcher completely, reopen them, sign in with your Microsoft account, wait about 30 seconds, and rejoin. That simple relaunch refreshes your whole session.
If that did not fix it, try 6 more moves. Sign out and back in, check the status page, keep only one session, clear the launcher cache, sync your clock, and turn off the VPN. Each step forces a clean new token.
Still stuck? Here are 5 deeper fixes. Flush your DNS, update to the new launcher with Java 21, repair your ROM. Allow multiplayer in Xbox settings, or reinstall after backing up your saves. Pirated clients are always rejected, so buy the game or play private.
Here is how Mojang actually verifies you. When you join a server, it asks Mojang's session server to confirm your access token. If that token is missing or stale, you get the invalid session error. Relogging in gives you a fresh token and a fresh passing check.
Now, which server are you joining? If it is their server, like Hypixel, it demands a real paid account through the official launcher. If it is your own server, a wrong online mode or proxy setting can reject even legitimate players.
There are 10 usual suspects. A stale token, 2 logins on one account, an auth outage, a changed password, a wrong system clock, a blocking VPN, a cracked client, an outdated launcher, Xbox privacy limits, or a bad proxy config. The first 2 cause the vast majority of cases.
Do not fall for 4 common myths. Link lapses is fake clickbait. The 24-hour expiry is unverified. This error did not start with version 1.21, and account migration closed all the way back in 2022.
One serious case. If you see account does not exist after a strange login, you may have been phished. Run an antivirus scan, use the official account recovery page, turn on 2-factor authentication, and never type your password into Discord login links.
Before you rage quit, run this checklist. Restart and relogin, keep one session, check the status page, sync your clock, drop the VPN, and use the official launcher. Do all 6, and you are straight back in.
Fixed. Go play. For help, visit helpmagnaps.net or the Xbox Live status page, and subscribe for more Minecraft fixes.